Hi, welcome to the Jay Marc Tip of the Week. Today we wanted to cover knowing where all the important shutoffs are in your home. Knowing the importance of where everything is shut off will help you in an emergency situation. Being prepared is always best. Knowing where your electrical panel is and where to shut off individual circuits will always be helpful. You can see all your different circuits are here, showing the different rooms, so that way you'll know exactly what circuit belongs to what shutoff. Know that the largest one at the bottom is the main shutoff if you ever need to shut the entire panel off. Knowing where all your plumbing shutoffs are in the garage is equally as important. Here what we have is our main water shutoff coming from the street. Turning this lever will shut the entire house down. This is our tankless water heater system. This is what delivers the hot water to all of the fixtures in the home. So we have the cold water inlet shut off coming right up to the tankless, which then splits off to a hot and a cold. So we have a cold with a main drain. So here you would have a shut off to turn off the supply going into the tankless unit. On the outfeed, which is our hot water supply going out to all the hot water fixtures, you have a shut off here. Also for our tankless unit, this is powered by natural gas. And natural gas also has a shut off for each appliance that's in the home. This would be the shut off for just to service the tankless unit. Also in a Jay Marc home, we have what's known as a recirculation pump. Recirculation pumps, they circulate all the hot water through a closed loop system. That delivers instantaneous hot water on demand, so we don't have to sit around and wait for the water to come on after several minutes. This one also has a shutoff located right here. Other shutoff would be for an exterior hose bib. As we know, going into the winter months, it's going to get extremely cold, and we want to make sure that that water is shut off during the winter, so we have that shutoff located right there. Over here we have a fire suppression system. Not every home will have fire sprinklers, however this one does. This is known as a riser, and we have a double check valve here that must be tested annually. So each side of the double check has its own shutoff located here. By twisting this perpendicular to the line, you would be shutting that off. The tether would be broken, letting you know that the water can now be turned off. Located on this side is a main drain for the fire suppression system. This is what would drain the system down if a service technician or the fire department ever needed to drain the system. By turning this downward, you'll be able to drain all the water down. It has a nice hose hookup for easy draining out to the street. Here we're outside. Using our adjustable crescent wrench, we have our main gas service coming from the street. So shutting this off would be using the adjustable wrench. Putting that onto our valve here and turning this to close the valve will shut our gas off. Inside the home, you'll find that you have interior shutoffs for each plumbing fixture. In this case, we have the toilet shut off at the angle stop at the bottom there. You can turn it clockwise to close and counterclockwise to reopen it back up. Here with the lavatory, there's shutoffs down below. One for each side, the hot and the cold. Again, turning these clockwise will close the valve. Turning them counterclockwise will reopen them back up. For interior gas appliances, there will usually be a shutoff right nearby. In this situation, we have a key. Just by turning the key in a clockwise fashion, we'll turn the gas off. Turning it counterclockwise will open it back up. So these are some of the shutoffs that are located in your Jay Marc home. It's always important to know the locations of these in case you have an emergency situation and you're well prepared. If you're not sure where some of the shutoffs are in your home, contact your local customer service rep. We'll be happy to show you. Watch for more Jay Marc Tips of the Week, and thanks for watching.